So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to click on next. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, this will come up. You want to select apply this fix and then click on next and then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, click on close. For the next step, we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r and then click on enter. Now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is restarting, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load. It's now going to start running the scan. And now once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and this should now fix your problem.